back to another video. So this is definitely a long overdue video. Ever since I've gotten this kit, I have not done a POV drive for you guys. As you guys see my last video, I actually went into a boost for the first time since I got the kit, besides the night at the dyno. The main reason why I wasn't going into boost is A, I need to change my spark plugs, so that's the smartest idea. B, it's not fully tuned. It's on a low boost map, I guess you could say, but the car does not feel slow at all. So which is why I'm gonna bring you guys this video. I'm not gonna do a lot of pulls, but I will probably do like one or two. But I'll also be showing you guys like boost noises and stuff like that, so it'll be pretty cool. Some downshifts. But yeah, anyways, I'm very excited to get this thing fully dialed in. Just like I said in the last, I don't know how many videos, just waiting on my tuner's availability. He's kind of booked out right now. Because he doesn't only tune, he also makes turbo kits, builds motors, so he's a very busy guy. But anyways, for now, I'm gonna bring you guys a little POV drive, give you guys some turbo sounds, some little pulls, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Just came to the homie Eric's job real quick. Homie hooked it up with the hat. Sick ass fool. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, start to put some 85 really quick. It's not low, it's like half a tank, but oh, I literally passed by the gas by the station, so I might as well. You know what? Let's leave it hanging. Let's go into boost again for you guys really quick. This thing wants to take off, bro. I love this car so much. I feel like, I mean, I've driven the GTR before. I've driven like other sick ass cars. I feel like no matter what, no other car will probably take this car's spot. Like, this car's so much fun to drive. I don't know, I just love it. Maybe it's just like sentimental value or whatever, like because I love this car so much. But I don't know, this car's super fun. If you guys want to build a 350Z, do it. There's a tunnel coming up. Baby shift. I don't want to bang it. Like I said, I shouldn't even probably be doing pulls right now, but I really want to film this video for you guys. It feels so slow, but it sounded sick. Alright guys, it is now a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. As you guys can tell, it's nighttime already. I kind of want to apologize because this isn't really a POV drive video, but it kind of is at the same time, but it kind of isn't because I use my camera, not my GoPro. But I feel like it was still a pretty cool video. I mean, I brought you guys like some turbo noises, some small pulls. Like I said, I shouldn't really be doing too many pulls in this car because it's not fully tuned, but I just wanted to bring you guys the content, and it sounds pretty cool. I like how it sounds. And for it not being fully tuned and being on low boost, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel that slow. Like I said, I know I've been saying that I'm gonna tune this car for I don't know how long. Honestly, at this point, it's just my tuner schedule. Like, he's very booked out. He has a lot of like things going on. Like I said earlier in the video, he doesn't only tune, he also builds motors, does turbo kits, etc. So he's a very busy guy. I'm hoping this week, the only thing with this week is that there's gonna be like a day or two that's gonna rain. So obviously I can't drive this car in the rain because the turbo sits like by the floor. I mean, I can, but it's not the best thing to do. So I'm definitely not gonna drive it in the rain. I'm hoping that I tuned it this week. I don't know. At this point, I'm not even gonna say it anymore because I don't want to let you guys down. I'm gonna tune it soon because I really do miss racing. I mean, I can race right now, but like I said, it's low boost, so it's like kind of slow. Slow in my terms. It's probably like 450 to the wheels, somewhere around there. I don't know. But anyways, that's where we stand with this car. Another thing that I kind of want to do to this car, I don't know. I kind of want to not sell these wheels. I'm sorry. I want to put these wheels over here on this car and sell those and get some other wheels for this car. What do you guys think? I don't know. I really love how the Z looks right now, so that's the only thing that's stopping me. I'm not gonna lie, like I really love this setup, but I feel like these wheels on that car would look so sick, and then buy my dream wheels for this car. I don't know yet though. What do you guys think? Should I do that? It'd be pretty sick. And with that car, I have a small problem, or it's not a huge problem, but it definitely is a problem. So as you guys, ow, I just hit the Tomei, bro. I just hit it. As you guys know, this car has a Tomei as well. I just got it probably like a couple weeks ago. The thing with this car is that this exhaust sits freaking low. I don't even know why. Like it's a Tomei made for the Q50, and it sits super low. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but let me get the flashlight. It sits super low, dude. I don't know if you guys could tell too much. It sits lower than my turbo. Like I scrape it more than I scrape my turbo. And you guys know my turbo sits super low. So that's the thing with this car right now. I kind of want to figure out a way to like raise it. I don't know if like get like a different hanger or something, customize it. I don't know. Because honestly, that's not the move. I don't want to. I'm at the point, bro, where I'm taking more care of this car than this car, where I'm like going through speed bumps and stuff like that. So that's like a no-no because it's my daily. It's a car that I drive every day, so that gets annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I even considered selling the Tomei and getting another exhaust system, but I don't know. The Tomei is just a Tomei. I love Tomeis, as you guys could tell. I have 2 of them. But yeah, that's where we stand with both of the cars. Like I said, I kind of do want to put these wheels over here. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it would look super sick. I was gonna buy a lip the other day, but I lagged it. I never did. I was gonna buy it for Cyber Monday. I'll probably buy that next for that car. I kind of do want to go 85 on it, but I'm at the point where I just want to focus on this car for now. I want to do one thing at a time. It's kind of hard building 2 cars at a time because you know money don't grow on trees. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing the turbo noises, seeing the car pull, and hopefully you guys are as excited as me to see this thing fully tuned, because it's been a long time, bro. Like I'm getting like very impatient now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys will be alerted whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.